Okay, just a quick video here from Nervous Nick. This is my Dell Latitude D630. This is from back around 2007, 2008. Anyway, some guy hit me with a question. They're buying an extra battery. You got the primary battery. Let me flip it over here. You got your primary battery right here, and then a secondary battery you can put in your laptop. It goes in place of the DVD-ROM or CD-ROM. And I don't have a CD-ROM. I bought this off the internet about, I don't know, 2 years ago, about $30. I scored it on eBay. So anyway, I got the battery in here. So anyway, you got your DVD-ROM right here. Okay? There's a little button here on the end. You got three choices here, and this is called the optical bay. You either can put an extra hard drive in here. You can put a SSD in there. If you look on eBay, you'll see that you can buy it's all got the same footprint as this one here. It's got a little button here. Push the button in. Okay, and it pops out. That's on your DVD-ROM too. It'll say DVD-ROM right here, or your CD-ROM. Okay, just pull it out. And he's asking me where this is the battery though. This is the extra battery here. Okay, you pulled your DVD-ROM out. Now you take your extra battery that you bought, your secondary battery. Just push it in. Okay, and push your tab in here. That locks it in. But it's the same way for replacing your DVD-ROM, CD-ROM. It's got a little lever right here. You just pop it out. And you can put an extra hard drive in here too. There's one they sell. It's kind of open area right here. And you flop a hard drive in here, SSD. You can see them on eBay. I just found one on Walmart. I think it was Walmart.com. I just looked it up. I was trying to see the number of these. All right. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. So I just flopped my hard. Actually, this secondary battery is working better than this one's holding. This one's working better than my main battery. I know it's toast. It's all wore out. It's over here. Okay. I know I've been scarce on the videos here. I'm gonna get going here. I've been having not a lot of time here. All right, Nervous Nick, go ahead and check out on hit the subscription. Check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link down below. All right, see you next one.